Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you my winning research method, product research method that I have been using for the past couple of months and been working pretty good for me. All of my winning products I found them this way, and it's basically like with this method you can find the product within your niche, within the niche that you want to start in, and maybe it takes like a couple of 2 to 3 days for this method to like very good work for you, like 100%. But it's definitely worth the time, and I definitely recommend you to do this. With this method you can see like what kind of ad copy they're currently running, they have been running, what kind of video are they using, what kind of audience are they targeting, and everything, so it's going to be much easier for you. So without further ado, let's just hop onto the content. So guys, as you can see here, we are here in my Facebook, and you can just ignore everything in here. This is the old Facebook that I don't use. Like, I only use Facebook for like finding winning products. So basically what this method is, that you're going to train your Facebook pixel and not your Facebook pixel. You're going to show to Facebook and like the competitors Facebook that you are engaged shopper and that you're like high value customers. So Facebook going to always show you ads, like the ads within the niche that you want to do. For example, if we say like you want to do, I don't know, home, kitchen, or I don't know, decoration, or something, garden niche or cat niche, all you need to do is to find the ad within that niche and just fire the purchase event with the pixel, and Facebook will see you that, okay, if Ramtin bought this like, I don't know, bought this shoe, maybe Ramtin will be like interested in seeing the other shoes. So Facebook will just start to showing you ads within that niche. So let's just, and I'm using a Chrome extension here called my ad finder, and I can show it to you here. You can see where it is, my ad finder here, guys. And so basically we can just scroll down, we can see, yeah, so basically one ad popped up. You can see 48 likes. This product is very old product, I guess, but I'm just going to show you how I do the method. So you can just click like the video and just click shop now, and when you come to the product page, you can see that, yes, basic product page, not too impressive, yeah, not at all. And then you can click the add to cart button. You can see the pixel event is firing here. Checkout, yes, and then we go to the checkout. As you can see here, the pixel event is initiate checkout green. So what we're going to do, click on inspect, we're going to console, and in here we're going to copy this text that I'm going to leave you guys down below in the comment that you can use. So with this, guys, you don't need to change anything except the price. So here is 217 crowns. I don't know how much is it, but we can just put some number like 29, I guess 29.99. So you can see here it's 3 at the moment, and it is a 3 events that are like fired here. So after I click this here, you can see that this just got 4. So you can see that the pixel event I just fired purchase event. So Facebook sees that I'm interested in this product at the moment, so I can put it one more time. You can see it was 4, now it's going to be 5. As you can see, I fired the purchase event 2 times. So I'm going to refresh the screen and close this, and just come here, refresh it. And after this, Facebook will start just to show you more and more products, guys, as you can see in here. Facebook just like show you like more winning products. So that's basically the method that I use, and like to tell Facebook that I'm interested in some sort of a product. So Facebook will show me that kind of the product so I can see it. But like, for basically, if you say like this is an ad, right? I'm seeing this ad, and if you want to see your competitor, like why are you seeing this ad, or what is it? What kind of interest are they targeting? You can just click here and click on why I am seeing this ad. So here can say, yeah, this page is trying to reach people ages 18 and older. It's trying to reach people whose primary location is in Sweden. So with this we can get that this person is just only targeting by age and is just targeting broad no interest only in Sweden. So that's what their prime targeting is at the moment. But like when you see more ads, you can just click it here and just see. With here is the same thing. And let me see if I can find any more ads. Here we can see another ad, so we can click on this while I'm seeing this ad. So we can see this is almost same thing, but another and the other thing is that I can show you here is you can go to the settings and click on ad preferences, and from here you go to ad settings, and from ad settings you can come to here category used to reach you, and then you click on interest category. So basically what this means is removing yourself from an interest category prevents advertisers from reaching you. So Facebook basically, when you target somebody in Facebook like give me this interest at the moment. So when people target yoga, I'm going to see the ad. When people target running, I'm going to see the ad. So Facebook thinks I'm interested in all of these categories around here. So when you exclude dropshipping, AliExpress or e-commerce or whatever, this interest is going to be here. So as soon as you find it, you have to click on remove, and this isn't in any alphabet like order, so you have to just go through it, which I already have. And you can see here remove interest, Shopify, dropshipping, e-com, online advertising, and e-commerce. So what this basically means is after people exclude these, they're not going to exclude me because I have removed this interest. So Facebook going to think now, okay, I'm not interested in this, so I'm interested in this. So basically Facebook going to show me the ads when people exclude these things, right? So I'm not in this like interest anymore. I'm not one of those people. So this is the other method that you can trick it like to Facebook in order to see all the ads that you can find. But basically you can see like my feed is only ads, so it's just yeah, you know, here is another ad, the ad, and it's just full my ads, guys. You see like 17,000 likes, limited offer, buy now. So this is a winning product that we're running, and we can see the comments. We can go by newest, and we can see like 1 hour ago, 1 day ago, it's just getting comments and comments. So it says that this product is selling right now, and basically the products in the Carnage are mostly for men, and in Facebook when you try to advertise only to men, your CPM is going to be much lower. And you can see the product they're using debut theme, I believe, and the website looks very spammy, and we can see the website what kind of apps they're using. Oh, it says this isn't the Shopify store, which I cannot believe. This is a Shopify, it's 100%. But let me refresh the page and check it one more time. Come on now. Yeah, but basically it says it's not Shopify store, but I know it is, but I think this is only lagging. So we can do the same thing with this product as well. We can see that they are selling it for 20 bucks. So add to cart. You can see in here, initiate checkout, and wait a minute. I believe they have one page checkout as well. I have no idea. But in here you can see, yes. So we come to console. Here we paste, and we see the product price 19.56. 56. Click, here is 3, you can see now it's 4. I just write the pixel event, so Facebook thinks that I just bought the product, and that's basically it, guys. So you just refresh it and Facebook will show you more products like this. But if you like have a hard time finding a niche that you want to, or like we say that you want to start in a cat niche, what the website that I'm using is Shopify. So you can just come here and just, you know, type in here cats. Oh my god, cats, without any filter, guys. I don't use any filter at all. So So you can see here, you see all these ads like about the cat. For example, this one, 320 likes. You just click on this, and basically after you see the ad, you like the video, you click on shop now, and you just do the process that I told you to. And after doing this couple of times for different products in that niche, Facebook will start to show you those ads, and you can only see like your Facebook and Instagram are going to be like optimized only for ads within that niche that you want to. So Facebook is going to show you the ads automatically without you trying to looking for them. So that's going to make your process much easier, and everything going to be easier. You can target people easier, you can see why you see the ads, you don't need to look for them. And basically, like this store, I think, let me see how it looks in the phone. It doesn't look bad, but yeah, that's basically it. That's a very nice looking store, but it can be better, I guess. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. And yeah guys, see you.